When driving along Uhuru Highway in Nairobi, caught up in the usual midday traffic, we have gotten used to the street activity, vendors selling snacks, beggars asking for coins, and the occasional man pretending to offer a quick car clean. I want to share a shocking experience that happened on Uhuru Highway in Nairobi. Uhuru Highway is one of the most important roads cutting right through the heart of the city. It runs from Mombasa Road at the Nyayo Stadium roundabout all the way to the Central Business District and connects to Waiyaki Way on the other side. It's part of the A100 highway, which links Kenya to Uganda and beyond, making it a key route for regional trade and transport. The road passes by major landmarks like Uhuru Park, Central Park, Parliament Buildings, and Kenyatta International Conference Center. In recent years, Uhuru Highway has been upgraded as part of the Nairobi Expressway project, easing traffic congestion but also changing the city's skyline. It's more than just a road. Uhuru Highway is a symbol of Nairobi's growth, connecting people, businesses, and even nations across East Africa. This motorist was stuck in traffic when a homeless man approached the car pretending to clean it. At first, it looked like the usual routine we often see on our city roads. But instead of cleaning, he quickly and quietly removed the covers of the headlight washers. The driver didn't notice at all. He thought he'll just clean, get his coins, and go. But here is where it gets interesting. A motorist on the left lane saw what happened. He rolled down the window, signaled him, and shouted that the man had just stolen something from the car. That's when it hit him. The so-called cleaner wasn't cleaning at all. He was stealing. It was bold, broad daylight, in the middle of traffic, surrounded by cars, and yet this man still managed to pull it off. This incident shows how vulnerable drivers are when stuck in Nairobi traffic. You may think nothing is happening, but in a split second, you can lose a part of your car. Replacing items like headlight washer covers is expensive and frustrating, and it all happens so fast you barely realize it. My big takeaway: always stay alert on the road. Keep an eye on your mirrors and appreciate fellow motorists who look out for one another, because on that day, it was another driver who saved him from losing even more. Have you ever experienced something like this on Nairobi's busy highways? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your stories. Please like, share, and subscribe.